Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today's student learning outcomes are relation operators, logical operators, condition operator, unary, binary and ternary operators. Relation operator. These operators are used to compare two values of the same type. These operators are very helpful in computer programming when a flow of program is based on a condition. After evaluation of a relation expression, the result produced is true or false. 6 types of relation operators are available in C language. These are described in the following table. Double equal to, that is used for comparing two variables whether they are equal or not. Not equal to, you can see the example, n not equal to m. This is less than, a less than b plus c, greater than, z greater than y, less than equal to, z less than equal to x plus y divided by 2, and greater than equal to, for example, f greater than equal to a plus 12. Logical operators. These operators are used in programming when it is required to take some action based on more than one condition. When two or more conditions are combined, it is called compound condition. There are three types of logical operators. These are described below. This is AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. Logical AND operator. It is used to form compound condition in which two relational expressions are evaluated. One relational expression is to the left and the other to the right of the operator. If both of the relational expression or condition are true, then the compound condition is considered true, otherwise it is false. The following is a compound condition that uses the AND operator, x greater than or equal to 1 and x less than equal to 10. When this compound condition is evaluated, it produces the result true if x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 10. In other words, the result will be true if both conditions are true, that is, x is in between 1 and 10, otherwise it will be false. The following compound condition will check whether the character stored in character variable ch is a lowercase or not. That is, ch greater than equal to smaller a and ch less than equal to small z. Logical OR operator. Logical OR operator is also used to form a compound condition. Just like the logical AND operator, one relation expression is to the left and the other to the right of the OR operator. The compound condition is true if either of the condition is true or both are true. It is considered false only if both of the conditions are false. The following is an example of compound condition that uses OR operator, x greater than y or z equal to 8. This compound condition will produce the result true if one of the condition is true, that is, if x is greater than y or z is equal to 8. The result will only be false when both of the conditions are false, that is, if x is not greater than y and z is not equal to 8. Logical NOT operator. The logical NOT operator is used with a single expression or condition and evaluates the true if the expression is false and vice versa. In other words, it reverses the result of a single expression. For example, the expression not z less than 10 will be true if z is not less than 10. In other words, the condition will be true if z is greater than or equal to 10. Some programmer may prefer to write the above expression as given below, which is easy to understand and has the same effect, z greater than or equal to 10. There are three types of operator in programming, which are unary, binary, and ternary operators. The operators that work on a single operand is known as unary operators. Unary operators are minus, increment or decrement, and the logical operator not. Some example of unary operators are a equal to minus p, k plus plus that is increment operator, minus minus x that is decrement operator. The operators that work on two operands are known as binary operators. Binary operators are all arithmetic operators and logical operator and or. Some example of binary operators are a equal to b plus c, z equal to x multiplied by y, and k equal to d modulus e. Conditional operator or ternary operator. Conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. Since it has three parts, these three parts are a condition and two expression. It returns one of two values depending on the result of a condition. It is very useful in situation where the programmer needs to choose one of two options depending on a single condition. The general form of ternary operator is condition question mark expression 1 colon expression 2 semicolon. The condition is evaluated. If it is true, then expression 1 will be evaluated, otherwise expression 2 will be evaluated. The following is an example of using ternary operator. X greater than y, this is our required condition, question mark x plus y colon x minus y. When this code is executed, the condition x greater than y is evaluated. If the result is true, then the value x plus y will be calculated, otherwise the value x minus y will be calculated. It allowed to execute be assigned to a variable as shown below, a equal to s greater than y question mark x plus y colon x minus y semicolon. Okay dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.